Go and get yourself, go and get honey. Okay, don't, people should not be looking down on honey. I know honey, we can use honey for so many things. We are using it for, so some people can even use honey to drink bath, like people that have diabetes. I think, I don't know, but I think they used to use it to drink bath. But honey is like, it's a kind of natural something, you know. Honey is, as in, I don't know how to experience how wonderful honey is. Get yourself original honey like this. Okay, so, okay, but welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across, like and subscribe. Thank you. So let me go back to what I'm saying. So when you get this honey, after cleansing yourself, because you have to cleanse yourself first before, you know, bargaining in this favor and love attraction, because this is for good thing, to sweeten your life. Okay, so after cleansing yourself, then what are you going to do? You go and get original honey. They have fake, they have original. Original honey, you always like this. It's always dark. Can't you see this one is very, very, very dark? But some you will see, as in, as we are looking in this can now, you will see inside. That one is not thick, it's not original. You can get it in all these Fulani people and Hausa people, even in or in short, all states in Nigeria. I don't know any other place have honey. Go to the bush and go this local place or even the local market. You can go and get yourself original honey. You can just keep it in your bedroom. You know, use it as a everyday routine. You know, make it everyday the same. Imagine you bring honey and sugar to mix together. You know, you are spicy. Imagine sugar is sweetened, honey is sweetened. Then now you bring the two together for your this thing, for to be taking your bath every day. Can't you see? Don't you know the kind of massive and kind of joy you will receive? Because you can't expect yourself after making your shower, after going out for a day to go and look for a daily bread, then you come back even angry. Someone will even provoke you, nobody will favor you, nobody will like. It's kind of annoying. So you yourself, you know, you got to have something, you know. It's not that you're going to be spending a lot of money for you to buy, because it's not cost. It's not cost. Very, very cheap something. Okay, so at least when you get it, if you want to take a shower, you pour. Oh, I forget. Then this thing, or you can use this can. You measure it 4 times. You put it. Then you bring 4 cubes of sugar. You put it if you like. The sugar is not compulsory. I'm just saying, if it's not compulsory, that you must put it. Okay, so you know there are so many different ways to use this honey that you see. You can bring this honey, you put a little in your palm, you bring a small sugar, a little sugar, you pour it and mix it with your middle finger like this. Then you play, either use sugar or use salt. Okay, this is the second way I'm just telling you. Okay, then you mix it to declare that as you're about to lick this honey, that you want to put in, you want attraction, you want this, you want that, you want favor, you want this. All what we want in life is favor. Without favor, you are going nowhere. Without people favoring you, you put a business, or whether you're doing online business, any kind of business you are doing, someone is going to buy for you. Somebody is going to pay you. You're not the one that is going to pay yourself. Even though you're a rich, somebody will pay you to make their business to boom. Yes. So that is what we call love. So you need something that will make that business to be good. You need something that will spice it, that as in to make it more effectively. Now don't go by the way one speak English. So this one I said you put your sugar or this thing. If you know, if you can like, if you like to do it, you like you don't do it. Okay. And again, you can also use honey and water. Just a little drop in a very container, small container. You use it to wash your face after taking your shower. Everything, just use it to wash your face. That is the 3 method. Okay, I don't want to say all these 3 words. I don't know what is pushing me to be saying like these 2 methods. I'm trying to talk about all the bad, but can't you see the way I'm making this video? I'm kind of, I want to say more. Okay, so if you want to also, if you don't have strength for all this one I just said, you can just add a little in a container like this. Then you can leave it overnight. Okay, you want to use it in the morning, in the night you eat, put your money, pray, you keep it there. In the morning after taking your shower, use it to wash your face. It's excellent. Go out after doing all this thing. Go out and see. Go out and see what will happen. Yes, life already here. So me, I would say I'm perfect. I would say I have a lot of money, but at least I'm doing so many things. You think talking about spirituality online, do you know the kind of attack all these people are talking about spirituality are receiving? Because as I'm talking, they're seeing me. My enemies, they're seeing me. So many things are seeing me. So they want to block way for you. But if you give up, they will get you. So you don't have to give up. We have to continue saying what you're saying, and also try to battle some of two things. It's not easy. So let me just end there. Go and try this three method. If you did not watch this videos to the beginning, go and start the beginning and watch the three method. It might seem simple to you, but it goes a very long way. So I will stop here. If this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, like and subscribe. Okay, I want to be dropping more attention, more that will be bringing my audience to me. Okay, so go and watch this and try it. Thank you.